Good day, my name is Daniel and I am Ekyrail's Executive Account Manager. Today I would like to introduce you to Ekyrail's and its innovative product line. Let's start with our location. Our offices and plant are located in Châteauguay, Quebec, Canada, and we have been in business for a little over 10 years now. About a year ago, we doubled our plant square footage, and now we have over 25,000 square feet. More than half of this square footage is solely dedicated to our HVAC line. Ekyrail's mission is to develop and produce high-quality power electronic inverters for specific needs. The first application targeted was to supply reliable inverters to power onboard locomotive equipment like refrigerators, pump, air conditioning, and heating units. The knowledge of the railway environment and expertise of the company founders have enabled Ekyrail to enter the railroad market effectively. Indeed, Ekyrail's know-how and vast experience allows our company to design railroad products that meets the intense and harsh conditions of the railway environment, like shock, vibrations, as well as the widespread operating temperatures. Gradually, the company has enhanced their presence in the rail industry, as well as its product line, by exceeding the needs and requirements of its customer while deserving their trust. In May of 2020, Ekyrail acquired Transtronic, a pioneer in its field, which was shutting down after 30 years of operation, which made Ekyrail Enterprises Incorporated one of the two companies that can manufacture electronic bells for the railway industries. Over the course of its 10 years of operation, Ekyrail has developed many products. We are certainly proud of the Eky-Bell, which was designed to be the most reliable e-bell in the industry, meeting or exceeding all required industry standards. With a very low inrush current, which will not exceed 1 amp, and its 200 milliamp running current, these features will definitely improve contact tip life expectancy as well as their failure rate. Ekyrail manufactures a wide range of reliable and efficient inverters, as well as innovative products like the Ekyrail and the Eky-Shop. Also, we distribute portable ditch lights, fridges, and microwave ovens, which are designed for the locomotive cabs. A lot of thought and engineering went into the design of the automated cable test system for multiple unit and communication, as well as the automatic portable rail collar tester. Fully adaptable, the testing functions can be reconfigured to adapt to the customer's specific needs. For those railroads who desire it, we offer a 27-pin MU cable UTEX and recycling program. After initial testing and inspection, if the cable is deemed not economically repairable, it is disassembled and recycled, or on the other hand, if the cable is deemed repairable, it will be cleaned, tested, and re-stamped, good for service, and will be sold at 50% of the price of a new cable. Ekyrail has developed an intermediate locomotive fleet universal HVAC unit, which is to be installed on the front right-hand side of the locomotive cab over the battery box. This innovative design consists of two distinctive cartridges of a redundant configuration, which offers standardization and reduces the amount of parts inventory. It provides cooling of up to 15,000 BTU per hour per cartridge for a total of 30,000 BTU hour, and heating of up to 1,500 watts per cartridge for a total of 3,000 watts. Ekyrail offers repair services for electric and electronic parts, as well as printed circuit boards. We also design and manufacture electrical distribution enclosures and panels, as well as assembly of wires, harnesses, and multiple connectors. Thank you for your attention, and please do not hesitate to call on me for any questions at all. Thank you, and have a safe day.